friends, it's Lele. Today we're going to travel together to some of your favorite places. We're going to learn the dance moves to the Mr. Kind traveling song. Are you ready? Let's get started.
I love to travel all the time and visit different places to see what I can find. Oh, why don't you come along with me? Let's discover the world and make some memories.
Now we're going to start with our feet. We're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left. Amazing! Let's try that one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, right, left. Fantastic! Now I think we can add the arms. We're going to make the first wing of our airplane. We're going to go out to the right, and then we're going to go out to the left to make the second wing. I think we should try that with the feet. Are you ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, right, left. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Let's try that one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, right, left. Beautiful, and there you have it, the wings of your airplane. Now from here, we're going to step right together, left together. Great job. And our arms are gonna go whoosh to the right side, whoosh to the left side. Can you show me that? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoosh, whoosh. Great job. Let's try that with our feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right together, left together. Amazing. Let's try that from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, right, left, and to the side. Beautiful! Well done, everyone. I think we can try that one more time and a little faster. Are you ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, and to the side. Great job! Now from here, super easy, we're gonna take 8 steps around ourselves in a circle. And our arms are gonna make our beautiful airplane arms where they change from side to side like we're soaring through the beautiful blue sky. Are you ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go around ourselves. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give yourself a big clap. That was amazing. Don't forget to have a little look out your window to see what's flying in the sky. Let's try it from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, right, left, right, left. We go to the side. Now from here, take your spin. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! Okay, because you did so amazing, I think we can go on. Are you ready? Great! From here, we're gonna shake our shoulders forward. Show me your shake. One more time. Great! Super easy. I think we can move on. So from here, we're going to take 4 steps to the left-hand side. We're going to step left, right, left, right. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, left, right. Great job. Now we're going to call our friends or maybe even our family to come join us. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We call. Very nice. And I think we can just move straight on. After our calling, we're gonna put our hands to our chest like this. Let's try that all again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk. 3, 4, and hands to our chest. Beautiful. I think we should try that from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, left, and out, out. Now on the spot, turn. Beautiful. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shake your shoulders and walk. 2, 3, 4, hands to the chest. Great job. Now we're almost done, everyone. From here, we're gonna step the right foot out and the left foot together. And at the same time, we're gonna present both arms out to the side. Did you do it? Let's try that one more time all together. So we finish here and we go out together. And now we're gonna make big arms like this. A beautiful big circle around. And we're going to take another 8 steps around ourselves. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to hug ourselves like we're giving our friends and our family a beautiful big hug. Should we try it from the beginning? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, and right, left. We go around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and shake your shoulders. We go left, right, hands to our chest. We present and open. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and big warm hugs. Well done, everyone. I think we can try it with music. Are you ready? Let's go! 7, 8, and right, left. Airplane arms and around yourself. Great job. And shoulders. Call your friends. And around. Beautiful. Amazing job, everyone. That was fantastic, but I think we can do it one last time. And this time, I want to see your beautiful smiles, and I want you to give it all your energy. Are you ready? Let's do it! That was amazing, everyone. I hope you had such a fantastic time flying around. I hope to see you again for some more dance tutorials. Goodbye.